Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. Gold has been pretty sideways lately, which has given me even more confidence that this is a correction on the daily time frame. I don't think the move down is over. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last series of lower lows, lower highs, which looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. So I am paying very close attention to these fib levels. I would expect to probably see something like this. Maybe it will go back up and test structure, but as long as it doesn't break structure, I would definitely still primarily be looking out for three-way pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces, or maybe a retest of structure and a big bounce, rejection of structure to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. I still think that this is likely like a wave C of wave 4 on like the daily time frame. So we do have some pretty good news coming out in the next couple of days. This evening we have some Aussie news, as you can see. The governor is speaking. Tomorrow we got some construction PMI for the pound, probably not a big mover at all. We got the estimated non-farm payroll, which is also not really a big mover because we have the normal non-farm on Friday, which definitely is a big mover. But tomorrow we do have unemployment claims for the dollar, and we have this service PMI tomorrow, which is definitely a market mover. So we definitely got some things to watch out for these last couple of days of the week. And we should see some pretty good volatility, which is great news for us because that's how we make our money in these markets. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.